Fishing on the Buffalo River with the boys.
Hold this and don't hook yourself. Hold it by the hook. Hold it by the hook. Don't hold.
Hey guys, so we are in a 9.9 horsepower boat, which is what you're allowed to have. We are on the Buffalo River, fishing with the boys.
We should just be able to
There's a lot of fish jumping. We'll let you know if we catch anything or if it's just a nice relaxing day on the water.
Well, maybe it was fate when you walked in the door. I could have sworn I've seen your face before. So glad that you said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by the night? We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone out there to hold. All those little moments, the bites you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God knew about all those little moments. Well, maybe it was fate or a part of his plan. Giving me you was like giving me another chance. Thank God that you said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by the night? We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone out there to love. All those little moments, the bites you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God knew about all those little moments.
die, Misty.
Well, too bad.
No, we're in the rocks now.
We're trying to catch a fish, but
We're in the
no luck
rocks.
yet.
You
Joshua
can
So reel them in.
tell. Rock.
Joshua had a fish on, but he escaped.
I had a
around
pretty
three-
big.
Haven't caught anything yet. Still trying. If you move with the motion,
Dad, you said you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the
Yeah,
right
get
time.
out. It's already on there, Jet Bite. Pull it out!
Is it actually? No.
All those little moments.
Something was on at the end. Anything?
Well, we didn't catch anything, but we had a good day on the water.
That was still a fun time. It was a bit, it's rough, but we pulled through.
Well, there was one time when I'm pretty sure I did have a trout on.
But
Another time I
escaped.
just hit rock.
Yeah, but
Yeah, he's the bent
escaped.
hook. He is
Bent
the
hook.
he is the bent hook to prove it.
Yeah.
All right, so we are here. This is our last night here.
Mm-hmm.
We are getting ready to head back out and on to the next place.
We've got tag hooked onto the fifth wheel. The fifth wheel nose is too low for us to hook tonight.
Yeah.
But we have drained the tanks, filled the fresh water, and pulled all the hoses and everything. So we literally are just plugged into power right now. In the morning, we'll eat breakfast. Kelly will pull the slides and vacuum and sweep and get the inside situated.
You gotta get the drum set put up and the TV on the bed. And the guitars have to come off the wall.
That's right. So she'll walk you through that whole thing, getting us ready for travel mode, for road mode.
Yes.
And then I'm going to pull out on this flat little road right here. I'm going to check everything. I'm going to make sure our tongue weight on the tag is right.
See if we need to make any adjustments to where things are positioned.
Yep, any adjustments. And then we're going to hit the road.
It's going to be very early.
We're going to get up at 4 a.m., leave at 5 a.m.
Yeah, we want to be rolling out at about 5.
Because
Hopefully
we want
earlier,
to... Yeah, because we want to miss the Oklahoma City traffic.
Yes.
But this has been a really good place.
It has.
Really liked it. Really enjoyed the people here. So, but it
We'll
is...
probably be back eventually.
Probably. But it is time to move on. We'll show you the sunset here in a second.
So I'm currently folding laundry because that's what we just finished doing. TV's here for tonight because we took it off the wall already.
Yeah.
And yeah, we have to get the drum set put up, and these guitars need to come up off the wall, and the hook part of it just screws off right here so that it doesn't hit the slide when we pull the slide in. I'll have to do vacuum tonight so that we don't have to do it in the morning.
The kitchen's clean. Look at that.
I know.
And our Starlink just sits here for the night. It'll go on our bed. The TV will live on Jackson's bed, tucked in.
Yep.
And then the guitars get tucked into the other beds so they're safe. But yeah, everything is good. Everything's put away. We got to figure out where we're going to put their fishing poles. We don't know yet.
I'm going to lay them on the bed for now until we get a way to secure them. We'll probably secure them somehow intact, but we did not have time to do that because they decided to buy them like yesterday.
And we've already got a tag hooked up.
Yep. It's a little dark out there. Let me go show you. But yeah,
See you guys in the morning.
bright and early.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes? Until winter comes? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. Ooh, I just wonder. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, it makes me wonder.